Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply change your name in Apex Legends. So we cannot go ahead and change our name inside the Steam application or inside the actual game itself, but instead you have to navigate through ea.com where your Steam is basically linked with your account. So in my case it's already opened, and first things first, you want to click on your profile icon at the top corner of the screen. Select account setting, and basically inside this page you have your EA ID. So click edit, and then EA will send a code onto your Gmail, on which you just have to simply enter it right here. Click submit, and we could edit this the way we want to. So let's say that I want to edit this into something like only Deskint. I could simply do that, and this will be your public identity across EA games and site, and basically that includes Apex Legends. So that's how simple it is, guys. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.